Hi guys, as I was busy explaining, I'm going to do this one, activity 6.5 from your book. It combines a epicycloid to a cycloid. So this side you can see that this is the epicycloid, okay? That is the side of the epicycloid. There is the formula R over R. R is the radius of a rolling circle. Big R is 80. Then divide 24, which is half of 48, into 8 into 24 by 360 over 12. I'm getting angle of 9 degrees. Then divide the circle in 12 divisions and come at that point to each division. You're going to draw these. I'm using green. I don't have a red pen. So I'm going to draw these. Let me use black so that you see. Then the next one, make sure that you bring it straight. You can bring it to the center there. Then at that point, you're going to do that. Then this one you bring to the center. At that point, you're going to do an arc. Then the center line. Then this one, bring it there. Then this one, bring it to the center. Alright, so you have done the divisions. I don't have another color, but these black lines must be very faint, must be construction lines, okay? Then because we have calculated 9 degrees, you are going to calculate, use a protractor from this line and put the protractor on the center line at that point so that you can measure this angle here. Let's say the angle you're getting is somewhere there. This is 60 degrees angle. So 60 degrees angle divided with 9. You are going to get 7 subdivisions here. There will be like 7. Okay? So let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 subdivisions. That's what you are going to get because each is 9 and then they give you 60. 60 divided by 9. It's 7 divisions. Then connect each division to the center line, which is that center line given there. So I'm going to connect each division to the center line. Okay, that one should be going there. This one must be coming here. Then this one. And that one. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divisions. That is 9 degrees each. So you only measure this angle first with a protractor from here to there, 9 degrees. Then take a compass from here to here, then start marking here. You know, you mark until there. At that point, you're supposed to draw a circle because it's changing the motion. So we are supposed to draw another circle using this center line here. So we're going to draw a circle, same diameter. So let's say that is the circle. Though it looks big, it's same diameter. Okay. Then it is changing into a cycloid there. And where it changes to a cycloid, you are supposed to know the distance from here to here. They have given us 80. It's not to divide 89 into 12. You have to work with pi times diameter, which is equals to pi times 48. The rolling ball is 48. The answer is 150.82. Then measure from here along this length all the way 150 up until the point where it ends to be 150,82. Then divide that line in 12 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then connect this to that. Yeah, parallel lines. So I'm not going to use these divisions, no. I'm going to only use the ones that will fall within 89. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. So I'm going to only work with 6. So what you do is you need to draw a center line here. and the center line there, which is 90 degrees to the rod. Then because the radius is 24, measure 24 and 24, then draw center line. Then you draw a circle there, and a circle at the end there of radius 24. Though these circles are looking so big, yeah, make sure that you draw them to proportion. They are the same size. All your circles are the same. It's R24. Okay, this is not drawn to scale. So what I'm saying is all of the circles must be 24 radius. Let me try to reduce this one. Maybe like that. Okay, so I'll come back here. I already did the divisions, and point P is sitting there. And the center for point P is here. There is the initial position of P. So the arc for point P is the green one, which is the rod. This is rotating clockwise. The first center C1 is here, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Then we are done with the epicycloid. So you are going to take this radius of the circle. Point P is already marked here. Take the radius of the circle, go to C1 and mark on the next arc. You are going to mark on an arc of 1. This is the next level after the first line. Then you take that radius, put on C1, mark on the arc of 1. Go to C2, mark on the arc of 2. Same radius, C3, mark on 3. C4, mark on 4. C5, you go to center 5, you mark on 5. You go to center 6, you mark on 6. 6 is the last one here. How do I know? If P is here, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, back to 12. So I've used center 6 and marked on the arc of 6. This is the arc of 6. Then now I'm going to center 7. It starts to fall down because it has risen to the highest point. It needs to fall down. So when you use this center, the only point where you're going to mark is on this arc of 7. There is center 7. So which means that it's going to be here. That is point P at that point. Then if it's to trace the locus of the point, it's going this way. And then it starts falling. So at that point, it's now falling like that. Though this C1 looks like KV, it's going to be somewhere here. C1 will be somewhere there. Yeah. You must follow the compass. Whatever you do, make sure that you follow the compass. So I've used C7 and I've marked on 7. We are done with the epicycloid. We must deal with the cycloid. When we come to the cycloid, you have done the pi times diameter, and we are found to say there is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points that I'm going to consider that are falling within that rod length. I'm not going to consider the rest. So the first division is this one. Take it to the center line to get C1. This one perpendicular to the rod, take it to there to get C2. This one, C3. You go to this one, you get C4. You come here, you get C5. And the last one, C6, is here. Then draw, or you can divide this black circle in 12 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then center. Then this one, that one, that one, that one. Then draw parallel lines to the rod, which are construction lines. Okay, so the top one with the top one. I want to use another color, but it's finished. So top with top, the second line. Then you come to this one, then center line, then it's this one, then it's that one. Yes. So what we are going to do, because it's now changing the path, you are now going to take your compass and put your compass here at the corner where it's changing the path. This is a sharp corner. And P is here on the left of the green circle. You have to open your compass from here to P, okay, and draw to the left of the green circle. So from here to P, okay, then we are going, there is the center, left and right. You are going to draw to this side. It's already falling there. Let's say that is our initial P on the blue. So from here to here, that is the radius at B. That's why they even gave you B. So I've just drawn this arc with the compass from that corner. So P is now here. And already we know that it was rising up. So the line for P is here. When I go to center 1 with the radius of a circle, this P is the center here. When I go to C1, I need to mark on the, it was still falling. You can see that it went here. I need to mark on top. Then I come to C2. I need to mark down on 2. C3, you mark on 3. C4, you need to mark on number 4. C5, you need to mark on number 5. Of which from here, it's going to come to this level somewhere there. Let's say 4 is here. Okay. So C1, we marked on top because it was still rising up from P. I marked there. Then C2, I marked on the second level. The third level is this one. So in that case, you're supposed to just continue up, then start falling. There, until it falls here. Then that is our initial position of P. That is how you guys are supposed to do questions like this, which we call the combined cycloid and epicycloid. It's not a problem. Make sure that you do a lot of practice. There's nothing that is wrong here. This has been coming in the exam for so many times. So you need to know how to approach a question like that. When it's changing, introduce a new circle, use a compass. If it was on the left here, you mark it on the left. It was here, it marked there, before the top part here. It was on the second level. So that is this one. And it was still rising. So this P is this center there. It's center here, that's P. When I come to C1, I can't mark on the next level. No, that is for P. It must first rise, then it starts falling. You know, you mark, until you finish. This is for, yeah, it was C4. Let's say C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Okay. We need to fix. This is not center 6. Center 5 is somewhere here. Okay. So from center 4 to center 5, then you use center 6. Center 6 will give you the point here on this circle. Okay. So center 5 is the one that is there. Then it's center 6 here. This is the center there. This is for center 5 there. Then you just need to bring it down here until you get that one. Yes. Please make sure you fix it. Know the levels. That's for center 1. That's for center P. Center 1, center 2, center 3, center 4, center 5, then center 6. And then that is your P. And then it's finished. Alright, so please enjoy the video, and if there's any questions, talk to me on WhatsApp. I'm done for now, and make sure you follow exactly as I've explained. Do not be tempted to divide this in 12 divisions. It's wrong. Do not be tempted to divide 60 degrees in 12 divisions. It's wrong. Work with the correct formula. Alright. Okay, good night.